morning, folks. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and this is the Clay Way. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking the notifications, sharing my videos, and sending me them sweet old thumbs up. If you've got a question for me, you can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook Messenger. I happily answer them for my subscribers for absolutely free if I can. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the first of you, and I promise you, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. So today we're working on a Dodge Grand Caravan, but this video is more specifically geared towards brakes and a specific problem that people do all the time. People go down to their AutoZone, and them folks are just like you. They know just about as much about automobiles as you personally know. It's limited. So they give you a part, you say, hey, I need the right side caliper for my whatever you're working on, 2002 Dodge Grand Caravan, like we are in this situation. They give you the left side caliper. Well, the thing that you don't know is that the bleeder is always supposed to be on the top. They probably don't know that either. So then you go home, you install your caliper. It looks like everything's going together. Sometimes the lines don't fit quite right. You can't understand that, but you put it together anyways because it's hot outside. You're working in your driveway. You've got limited tools. All sorts of things are going on. Well, the problem with that situation is it creates a very spongy pedal. So if you've ever worked on your car before and then all of a sudden you thought you bled the brakes out just right, but they don't seem to work as well as you want them to, check this out. Make sure you didn't put the wrong caliper in the wrong place or somebody didn't do it before you. I've seen this hundreds of times. So this brake caliper was leaking. You can tell by my crappy floor. And they got me a new brake caliper. Now, what'll happen is, in this situation that I'm about to show you, is you put this brake caliper on, your brakes are gonna be spongy. You'll be able to get them to bleed out, but they'll never bleed out perfectly right. And it's a very easy thing to actually make a mistake on. So down here on the floor, we have the new caliper and the old caliper, okay? Now, one thing about these calipers that you have to know is the bleeder screw should always be on the top. And obviously, I've got an eye for this. This is the caliper we took off, and this is the caliper they brought us. This caliper would bolt right into place and not be a problem. You could put the line on, everything, and then you go to bleed it, and because you don't know, you bleed it out, and you can't get all the air out of the caliper because the bleeder screw is on the wrong side. So if you're ever having a spongy brake condition, just look behind your wheels, make sure your bleeder screw is at the very top of your brakes, and that'll solve your problems. I've seen this hundreds of times over the years. People do it all the time. Don't feel bad. You don't know if you're not learning. So God bless you guys. Remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them. Be the first to you. This is Clay. Have the greatest day.